Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the MK4 Supra versus the Hellcat. We'll dive into their core differences, starting with what makes each vehicle a legend. You'll learn about their distinct engine characteristics and how they translate to on-road performance. We'll also explore their unique driving dynamics and the vibrant communities that support these iconic machines, helping you understand their appeal. When it comes to raw power, the Hellcat typically dominates with its supercharged V8, often exceeding 700 horsepower. The Supra, with its legendary 2JZ engine, starts around 320 horsepower, but is renowned for its incredible tuning potential. We'll look at how these power figures translate into acceleration and top speed, highlighting their distinct approaches to performance. The driving experience in a Supra is often described as precise and engaging, with a focus on balance and handling. In contrast, the Hellcat delivers a visceral muscle car feel, emphasizing straight-line speed and a commanding presence. Their designs also tell different stories: the Supra's sleek, aerodynamic lines versus the Hellcat's aggressive, wide-body stance. Each offers a unique connection to the road. Both the MK4 Supra and the Hellcat boast massive aftermarket support, allowing owners to customize and enhance their vehicles extensively. Whether you're chasing more horsepower or refining handling, parts are readily available. Each car also benefits from a passionate community, offering a wealth of knowledge and camaraderie. For other great deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.